Rachel is an amazing alumnus and exemplary contributor to her community of St. Lawrence. She's truly deserving of CNA's Young Alumni Award and representative of what we envisioned when creating this award category. Rachel is a graduate of 2 programs at CNA, welder and then executive office management. She volunteered with the college both as a student and later in a professional capacity with industry associations. To see her continuing to selflessly contribute to organizations that do good in her community is certainly not surprising to us.
I think that my experience with CNA has really been a motivating factor for just my life in general. I think that the positive impact I've had from my courses, from my instructors, from peers that I've met, I have had so much support from this one community. It has been unbelievable. Like, I made friends in my executive office management course who check in on me daily. They wrote me beautiful birthday greetings. And I have teachers from my welding certificate that still check on me to this day. If they see me out and about, they'll ask me how I'm doing, ask me about my little girl. It really is a community, and I think that that is something that really, really speaks to me. Like, I want to give back to my community because this is a community that has given me so much.
Rachel's definitely deserving of this award. She is a student that stood out. I had her for 4 or maybe even 5 semesters of her 2-year program, so right from beginning to end. She always came forward and volunteered to do stuff. She worked as well as studied, but you would never know it. Her work was stellar. What she stood out for mostly was how she helped others and helped me if I needed something extra, just an above and beyond student.
I'm passionate in helping others, and I have always been really active in my community. I feel that my background with my dad in the military really drove me to want to impact my community and serve in that type of way. Volunteerism has provided me with a lot of wonderful opportunities and experiences. I've been able to work with community leaders. I've been able to network a lot, and it's been super helpful in helping me be organized with leadership abilities. I think that the most meaningful experiences that I've had from CNA were just the camaraderie with my fellow classmates. Being able to learn from them and their diverse experiences as well meant a lot to my learning, and it was probably my favorite part, meeting new people, learning their things, and like working together to like learn what we were learning. My advice to any current students is to stay passionate, be persistent, and never underestimate the impact of small actions. Engage actively in your community and seek mentorship. Never stop learning. Embrace challenges and opportunities for growth, and approach every endeavor with dedication and enthusiasm.